Hi, I'm getting ready to harvest our Magic Molly potatoes, which are the little fingerling purple potatoes that are purple inside and out. And our first patch of potatoes, those were the Yukon Golds and the Red Bliss, and they were pretty good. I think we broke even on the money we had spent on the seed potatoes on that one batch. So I'm hoping that this one will put us over the edge as far as cost goes. Also, we had a couple potatoes that popped out of the surface, so I'm really optimistic about this. And I've actually brought out a container for potatoes, and we'll see. Now we've waited for everything to die back, and I'm just going to open this up. We tried to keep the cats out by putting these stakes on top here. We also tried to keep them out by putting the fencing around it. And we did succeed, so I don't think there's any cats in here. Do that, and then we'll kind of break this away. And then I'm going to dig in and see what I find.
Look at the birds over here, they're very curious.
Are they hanging out too?
The cat lounging. Okay, birds, back to the potatoes.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Nothing yet.
Yep, I think I see one.
Oh, there's one right there.
A nice one.
Okay.
Cool.
So that's pretty cool.
Cool purple.
Yep.
Nice purple color.
Yeah, it's
Very
beautiful.
cool.
Beautiful. That's one. Oh, there's another one.
So,
That's pretty. They're really pretty.
yeah, they're very cool.
And they just taste like regular white potatoes.
Hopefully they'll be good in a stew. Maybe in a few weeks if I get a deer.
If they last that long.
If they last that long, yeah.
We've got a few of the first batch that we dug that are left, but I don't have a ton left. I really enjoyed using them. Well, so far I'm not particularly impressed.
I think you just missed one.
Did I? Let me see the clay soil.
It was down in the clay. Where your hand was.
Right over here?
Closer to me. Where your hand is. Nothing there? No?
No.
Oh, bummer.
Now let's keep moving over. See what's in here.
Keep moving.
Okay, a little are tasty.
These are bigger than the other ones. So,
There's a nice one right there. There's one.
cool. They're adding up.
All right, here's some. Oh, there's a tiny guy.
A little guy.
Little tiny one. We'll take him.
They really are a cool purple color. I'm
Yeah.
not sure if the camera can pick up.
Good one. And I'll show you. I'll just break it open so you can see.
Check that out.
What
That
color
is
they are in the
really
middle?
cool.
Isn't
Very
that
nice.
awesome?
Yeah.
Yeah. Really fun. And they, oop, see
There's
now
one that-
there's a rotted one.
Yep.
I don't know why a potato would rot. but clearly it did.
Hmm.
Another one. And then there's one there.
The other one. Wow. They're stacking up.
Yeah, that first batch, there wasn't too much there, but the second one's a little bit better. Ooh, there's a couple.
More.
And another one. I will dig all the way down into the dirt at some point here, but
When we move all this loose dirt out of here, I'll probably dig down a little deeper.
I suspected that they didn't go too far into the ground, though. But we have to check. Yep, there's a nice one there. That was right on the edge of the soil, like the
soil and the clay.
Ohio, the clay.
Very cool.
Perfectly good potato right there. Oh, there's a couple more. I feel like there's. Oop! Now look, that's rotted.
Oh, that's not good.
That ain't good. That's fine. Oof, the rotted ones don't smell good, I'll tell you that.
No.
There's a little one. It's interesting because the other potatoes varieties, a lot of the potatoes came right off the stems, but these they don't seem to be doing that as much. I don't know.
Well, these have been in the soil a lot longer too.
That's true, but the plants did just die off. So there's a couple more.
Nice ones.
Yep. Looks good.
Make some interesting mashed potatoes with this.
I know. I was thinking that.
Really cool.
Or French fries. It'd be very
French
interesting.
fries, or whatever. Anything.
Yeah. All right, and let's see if there's anything more in this batch over here.
Bummer about that one.
Yeah, I know.
But what are you gonna do?
I don't know. I guess it's like, what were you saying? It's like fermented potato with vodka.
I don't know.
Or
I just don't know. It's our first year doing these, so.
Purple vodka. All right. Well, I guess that might be it. It's a rock.
Yeah.
Yep, I guess
We
so.
thoroughly checked over here already. That's where our first batch came from. I believe we thoroughly checked.
That's just weeds there. All right. Well,
That may be it
I
for the
think
purple.
that's it. So
Not bad.
it's not bad.
Not bad.
Probably another. I mean, for fancy potatoes like this, that's probably. I'm gonna say, about $8 to $10 worth of potatoes, probably.
Yeah, very
So
cool.
very good.
Cool.
Yeah, it was fun. It was a lot of
All
fun
right.
to grow them.
That was pretty fun. We'll be planting these again next year, for sure. I think we did pretty good with the potatoes. Plant more. Thanks for watching.